How to fix Roblox gift card currency must match your account country. So what we need to do is log into Roblox here. And if you have a gift card, for example, from Canada, and you want to use it on Roblox, here's what we do. We click on the gear icon in the top right. Then we'll go to settings. Now from the settings here, we'll scroll down and you will be able to see your account location. So click on your account location here, and depending on whichever Roblox gift card you want to use, you will change your country here. So for example, if I want to do the Philippines, I'll click on it and it's going to show us this. You can change your location only once. Your location determines what is allowed in your account, including the currency used for gift cards and purchases. If you're not sure why you need to make this change, do not continue. So if you just want to use one gift card, then go ahead. But if you're going to use multiple gift cards, then you shouldn't really change your account location, because you won't be able to use your native gift cards. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.